So if you want to have touchscreen controls for tablets and phones and stuff like that, go to the menu and then go to settings and then go down till you see on-screen display and click it, then choose on-screen overlay, and then first choose this. This will hide an overlay so you won't see the touch stuff when you're connected to a controller. Next, go to overlay preset and then just choose one of these presets. So if you want a Game Boy Advanced one, just choose that, then click resume and see the buttons changed.